I am taking an inventory of all of my model trains so that I know what I have and I can determine what I would like to add to my collection. In today's video, I will show you my process for doing an inventory of my N-scale model trains. Welcome to Humanity Junction, where the city intersects with humans. For maintaining my inventory, I'm going to use a spreadsheet. I like this option because I can adjust the categories that I track, and it is a tool that I am familiar with. A lot of my rolling stock is from micro trains, so I'm going to download a document from their website that contains a list of their N-scale rolling stock and locomotives. The rolling stock Excel spreadsheet has the majority of their individually sold cars, but it does not include the sets. But this spreadsheet contains a lot of valuable information to get me started. I will also be using the N-scale database found on the TroveStar website. This is another great resource with detailed information. Let's get started with our first N-scale microtrains boxcar. The first thing I need is the MTL item number. This car is marked with the old ID number. Using the spreadsheet we downloaded from the MTL website, I am searching for this number. Using the search function, I can quickly find the information that I am looking for in the MTL spreadsheet. I am copying the information from the MTL spreadsheet into my spreadsheet. The label has some additional information on it, and I'm going to add this to my document. I also include the quantity and the manufacturer. Then I continue and repeat the steps with each car. I search the item number in the MTL spreadsheet. Then I copy the information from this spreadsheet and then I transfer it to my spreadsheet. After I format the line, I add any additional information that I find on the label. Let's speed everything up a little bit more for the next few cars. Since I have two Peacemaker boxcars, instead of listing them separately, I have a quantity column on my spreadsheet. Through taking inventory, I have found out that I have some duplicates that I did not realize. I am currently storing all of my N-scale rolling stock in plastic drawers that I store under my desk. The next train cars that I'm going to search for are a set. Although the sets are not supposed to be listed in the MTL spreadsheet, I have found some of the individual cars on this sheet. Therefore, I will be checking all of the item numbers on the MTL spreadsheet to see if any of the sets or the individual cars within the sets are included. Since I did not find any information in the MTL spreadsheet, I will add the information to my document with as much detail as I can. I am including the colors of the cars so that I can identify them at a later time. Once I get all of my inventory documented, I will send off an email to MTL asking if they can fill in any missing information. They have been very helpful in providing this additional info in the past. These next two cars are from Atlas and Blueford shops. Both of these cars have a lot of information on their labels, so for now, this is all I am documenting. Now that this drawer is complete, I'm going to move on to my drawer of Ak-sar-ben cars. I've already shown off some of these cars in episode number 6. To find out information on the Ak-sar-ben cars, I'm going to be using the TrofStar website, eBay, and searching the internet. After searching for the item number on the first car, TrofStar has a lot of information. I am transferring all of the relevant information. In the future, I might go back and document all the remaining information as this website is very detailed. For the next item, I tried searching both the item number and the description, but I cannot find any information on TrofStar. I also searched online but did not find anything. Since I purchased these cars on eBay, I documented any additional information that I found on the listing. I worked my way through the Ak-sar-ben cars using whatever information that I could find on them. For the last car, I found a set on TrofStar, but it did not include this item. I did find a forum post with some additional information, but I was not sure which yellow was the yellow of the car that I had. I also did a general search on eBay, but only ended up finding additional memorabilia from the 1982 event. So I went to the eBay listing for this car. I found some information on this page that I can document in my spreadsheet. I have a lot of additional items that I need to inventory, but I'm going to end the video here. I hope you have found this interesting. Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe and select the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks again, and have a great day.